On Saturday, May 23rd, downtown Miami will come alive as Mocha Cafe in association with Cam Money Transfer, Digicel, Radio Television Caribe, Rock Babacool, and Chairman Gene Monstein presents the 18th Annual Haitian Combat Festival, Haitian Flag Day Celebration, performing live,
Combat Festival, don't miss it.
Harmony, DC, Casino, Jackwood #1, BJ, TPO, Tony Mix, Rolly Root Boy, T-Fights, Lula, Nicky Mix, Blood Cam, Frankie Mix-a-Lot, Crayola, Power Mix, Flatty Mix, Class. The 18th Annual Haitian Combat Festival, Haitian Flag Day Celebration, Saturday, May 21st, Bayfront Park, downtown Miami. Hosted by DJ Griot. Sponsored by Prestige Beer, Law Firm of Andrew Pierre, Azure College, Hotel Alarancho, Balls Revolution, Ticket Magazine, Horizon 2000. For tickets and fitness space information, please call 305-945